It's a lot of fun old stuff.
I don't use that, see anything. Can you see the holes? Let me see. Let me get the light.
Oh, I did
here.
see them. I did see
Oh,
some.
here. Get
Yes, I do
there.
see them down there.
Way down there, right here. There's 32 holes. Get it just right.
Yeah, I can make them out.
Yeah, see right there?
Yep.
There's 32 holes in there, and that's what flows the gas.
So, okay.
This is a Braswell carburetor that we started racing. It was okay for a modified Holley carburetor
Okay.
in the 70s.
Yeah.
Then he ended up with, he made some 4-barrels, and he knew enough about carburation that Chrysler, I think he took it to Chrysler in maybe 1973 or 4 or 5 when they had trouble with their emissions. They hired him to go there and straighten out his emissions, maybe for 6 months.
No kidding.
And that's when they came with that electronic stuff on an air cleaner on Chrysler.
Oh, right. So this is just some guy that would show up at the races?
Braswell. He's still in business in Tucson.
Really?
Braswell carburetors. So this happens to be a Roman numerals here somewhere on it right here. Right there, maybe.
Oh, yeah, I can
Ingram.
see something there.
Ingram. That's Randy Ingram's 55 Chevy.
So that's what this was built for.
Yeah. It's got the big pump to it.
Uh-huh.
All the good stuff.
So he literally drilled all the guts out of it.
Yeah, and pressed tubes in them bigger than they're supposed to be.
Yeah, they look big. They are huge.
And changed this is all different. The tubes are different. Then we took these and put a metal plate here and with tubes on them. So we had some tubes 2 inches long and 3 inches long with another plate. So we stacked this higher on our intake.
Okay, so you made a high rise for it.
Yeah, we made a tunnel ram type thing for this.
I see.
It's too bad you can't really see what's in there. But the accelerator pump's in here and everything else squirts, and the carburetor just outran everybody.
So did it get outlawed eventually or something?
I think Holley tried to make one like it.
Okay.
And I don't know, they couldn't come anywhere close to it. And see, he's even ground the shafts flat just so it'd flow more air past the shafts.
So when they're open, yeah, they don't...
Yeah, when they're open.
Yeah.
See, they're all ground CFMs.
Yep. Man, that's a piece of history. So this was in the early 70s, maybe?
Yeah.
Huh.
But everybody in the whole world know who Braswell is.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Famous carburetor builder.
Huh.
I think Holley came out with some with the stacks like this a little bit. They didn't perform like this carburetor at all.